Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this pattern. Okay, all these pattern are for beginners. We are going to start with 27 chain. Okay, now we are going to make one more chain. Then we are going to make one single crochet in each chain. Okay, complete 27 single crochet. Now we are going to make 3 chain. For next row, we are going to make 1 double crochet in 3 stitches. So including the chain, we will have 4 double crochet in both ends. Okay, now we are going to skip 2 stitch. Then we are going to make 1 self stitch, 5 double crochet, and we are going to make 2 chain, and we are going to skip 1 2 3 4 stitches. We are going to make 1 double crochet in 5 stitches. One double crochet in 5 stitches. So now we are going to make one skip 2 chain. We are going to make 1 self stitch, 5 double crochet in next. Two chain, skip 4. Then we are going to make one double crochet in next 4 stitch. Both ends we will have 4 double crochet, including the 3 chains. Okay, look at this. Okay, now 3 chain, going for next row, 1 double crochet in 3 stitches. These both ends repeat the same. Now we are going to make self stitch, 5 double crochet in the first double crochet of the self stitch from the previous row. 2 3 4 5. Then we are going to make 2 chain, skip 4 stitch, 1 2 3 4. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in 5 stitches. Then we are going to make self stitch, 5 double crochet in the first double crochet of previous row. Two chain, skip 4. Then we are going to make 1 double crochet in the 4 stitches. Both ends, and we are going to repeat the same. We are going to finish and start with 4 double crochet. So next row, Now you see like this. So the shell will go like this and like this, like this. Okay, now we are going to make 5 double crochet, self stitch in the first double crochet of previous row, previous shell stitch, to chain, skip 4, then we will have 5 double crochet over here, 1 double crochet in 5 stitches. If you want bigger size, you can add up times by 2 or 3, so you can have that size, the size you wanted. Okay, 5 shells stitch, 5 double crochet. This pattern is for beginners, easy for them to learn crochet, doing patterns. Okay, look at this. This one, the shell go here, from here go then this side. So now next row, 3 chain, can do shawl with this. First 2 3 rows will be confusing. Later it will be easier for you. Okay, this is the pattern. I hope that you all will give a try. It's an easy pattern for beginner. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.